Alright, so first we're going to have to remove these bolts, 15 millimeter wrench and socket. I've already got this one loose. And we're going to replace this with this. So it's about the same size. Picked a pack of 2 of these up for $3. It's not bad. And it'll go in and be able to clip in just like that for when we want the sway bar connected in the rear. But when we don't want it connected, now we can flip it like this, flip it down, and then we're going to install a bracket up here. So what I came up with, I'm going to use just a standard hose clamp, and then I got these fence brackets. So basically I'm going to drill this out to make it about 1/2 inch. That way this will be able to slide through there. And then I'm also going to extend this. You can either drill it out 1/2 inch, or I'm actually going to cut to make this wider back here. And then this will mount up. Get that out of the way. This will mount up like this, with the hose clamp going around it through here, and then with that 1/2 inch hole here, this will actually line up directly behind, and then you can use the same pin to pin it through and keep it up when you don't want your sway bar connected. So if you're doing any rock climbing, extreme trail riding, etc. But it makes it a quick disconnect. That way we can push it back down, put our pin in, and we're good to go for whatever. Your hose clamp will fit through. It's going to be coming around just like that. Alright, so I got it painted, and I went ahead and sprayed some Flex Seal on the part that's going to be in contact with the bar. That way it doesn't have any rattle, shake, or do any damage. Put it on there, put my hose clamp on. So once you disconnect, you just swing it up, grab the same pin, and lock it in. Now we're good to go. It's secured. It's not going anywhere. It's staying out of the way. And then when you're ready to switch it back, you just got to pop that pin back out and flip it back down. Adjust your sway bar into position. And put your pin back in. Just like that.